Alright. This video already started out good. Already lost footage of taking the freaking gas tank off of this thing. Yeah. I'm gonna check some ground wires and crap. There's a little dinky ass wire right here on the coil. Don't know what it is. I don't know what any of this stuff is. It's a guessing game, that's what it is. That looks pretty clean right there. And I'm sorry, I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. I don't want to mess up and lose my filming again. But we got these wires twisted together. What the hell is that all about? Huh. Supposed to be a fuse right here. Okay, that's some weird shit. I wish it wasn't so freaking cold out here. I wonder if it'll crank without that. I wonder what that is. Let me hook a battery to this damn thing. Maybe it's got some juice in it. Oh, come on. Stiff ass wires. That's how cold it is out here. Really stiff. That's what she said, huh? Okay. I got the switch on. Oh yeah, I took the switch out of its place too. Totally missed that. I will pour the spark plug out. Yeah. That gas tank, there ain't shit really holding that on. Two 10mm bolts and this piece of crap rubber strap. Never seen nothing quite like that. It's kind of stupid, I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Are you on? It says run. Yeah, it won't do crap. I do got it. I got my ground. I got my hot. Okay, maybe these stupid wires have to be twisted together to run it. Okay, whatever the hell this is, it's supposed to have a fuse here. It will not let it even crank or anything without this twisted together. So whoever did that kind of knew what they were doing, I guess. They probably blew a fuse and just twisted it together, right? Yeah, weak ass little spark. My buddy agrees with me now that it's probably a ground problem. That's what I think. Where the hell's the CDI on these things? You know, there used to be a little cap, a little circle cap on these things. On top of the head. Where the hell is that what that is now? Is it this thing? Huh. Wonder if I got a screwdriver that'll take that off right here. Always leave your battery hooked up when you're working on stuff, huh? That always works, usually. Take a hammer and smack it while you're trying to get it out. They make special screwdrivers that you hit and they turn themselves, but I don't own those. Okay. I'm really fortunate it came off that easy. What's behind door number one? That's just a timing chain. It's tight. That's good. What a tiny ass little chain. Mint. Am I still filming? Yes, I am. Well, no reason for that to be off of there. Got a little rubber ring. It keeps it from leaking oil, I guess. Not much. Huh. So, still, where's the CDI on this thing? There's wiring everywhere. If I ever get you running, I'll remember, I'll come back and I will tighten the living shit out of you. Probably not, because more than likely, I'll be redoing this engine anyway. Alright, that's not a CDI. Let me see here. Size are you? Looks like a 10 mil. Everything on this thing so far seems to be 10 millimeter. There you are, my friend. Alright. This a little bitty black wire. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a ground. Probably a kill wire. You know what? I'm going to leave it loose like that, and I'm going to see if it even makes a difference with the spark. Huh. Something made a big ass difference, didn't it? Never mind. Yeah, it's still sparking. So, usually you can loosen up something and tighten it again. It'll clean it good enough to make a connection. Come on, if I can get my stupid wrench in there. Click. I believe that's tight. Okay. I want to just keep seeing if it fires. Don't fire if you unhook that, whatever the hell that is. Man, that's some pathetic spark. Hey, it just keeps snowing. Okay. What's next? This ignition looks, I don't know if y'all can see in that. It looks really clean. I think all this does when you turn it is connect those wires together. You know, like a light switch in your house. I don't see nothing special here. Everything's clean looking in there. Like I said, I'm sorry if the filming sucks. Man, it's just gonna snow forever. Alright. Wires look okay-ish. Nothing looks okay, but hey. It's not dirty enough to make it not be what it's supposed to be. What else we got? This tiny ass little wire. That goes to the hot side though. It could be a dirty hot though too, right? See, she's pretty dirty, but y'all won't know it since I'm filming from my chest here. What the hell did I do? Did I shut the key off? Yep. Same old tiny ass little spark. Shouldn't this thing have fuses on it somewhere? Where's the CDI? See, I don't know anything about the stators or anything on these. I am better at working on vehicles than I am these. But hey, you gotta give it a try, right? And what kind of man would I be if I just didn't? Okay, what kind of wiring I got? Some, what is this? Used to be an old tail light or something. This is a relay. And it looks really, really nasty, but I don't think that's got shit to do with it. There's a rectifier. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure. What do you call those things? They do something with electricity. I don't know what they do. What's that? Some kind of relay? I don't know what the hell that is. Are you a fuse or a relay? Oh, come off. There we go. Don't know what it is. She's dirty, but I just don't see it having anything to do with it. Yeah, see this here, rectifier or whatever the hell you call that. I know it has to do with juice, but literally it looks okayish. What else do we got? Let's say we got a relay, starter relay that wouldn't do anything. What is that? That hooks to the, okay, that's your starter wires, your ignition wires that hooks in. It makes your relay come alive right there. Shit, there ain't a lot to this thing. I mean, spark still sucks. Come on, Matt, think. Where did they put the CDI or whatever on this? See, back in the day, there was a little cap. It kind of looks like one of these valve covers. And underneath there, first you had points, like way back in the day. And then they went from points to CDI. Where the hell's what on here? I don't understand. I need to do some research. Like, maybe there's a bad ground that's just, like on a car. Like, maybe it has to be from the frame to the engine or something. And maybe I'm just doing something wrong, man. It's grounded through the frame, no different than if I was to hook it up to the ground wire. So, I'm getting some kind of ground or the starter wouldn't even work, right? I'm sorry, y'all. I have to play this shit around in my head. There's wiring, but I have to take this plastic off to get to. There's wiring behind the headlights that could be dirty. There's that kill switch here that could be filthy. Huh. It's a shame. Oops, didn't mean to hit that. Ugh. Damn it, my screwdriver's too big. It'll take me 15 years to find the right one. It's one of those things. You come out here, if it wasn't so dang cold. Where's the off and on switch? Let's make sure it even stops it. What the hell? Okay, the off switch does make it quit firing. See, here's it off. No spark at all. Here's it on. Tiny bit of spark. I need to do some research. Like, can something get dirty from it sitting? Like, I can't find the CDI on this damn thing. I know they got stators. I think they're oil soaked. I'm not sure on that either. I just really don't know. I need some folks in the comments to tell me something. Because I believe it's a wiring problem. I believe it with all my heart. I mean, the spark, it's there. It's not good enough. Compression is okay-ish. It's not great, but I mean, it is okay-ish. Yeah, it's not bad, really. Got shit in my mouth. It's still blowing stuff out of the cylinder. Yeah. It's got something to do with a spark. It's like this box right here. What the hell's this? And it's got to do with the wiring harness. Well, if I have to end up taking this in my house and like working on it like I talked about, I guess the wiring is kind of easy to pull on this thing, since, you know, it's just laying here. And not that hard to figure out, since it'll only plug in one way, right? Yeah. I'm not sure what to do. Like I said, it's got to be something. I don't guess that coil could be weak. Has anybody ever heard of a coil just getting weak? Like, let me know. Like, there's wiring, like I said, that's hid in this headlight in different places here that I cannot, well, I'm not going to get to right now because it's too cold. But hey, I come out here and I gave it a little try. A little try is better than zero. That's the way I look at it. I could have just sat on my ass, not done nothing. I mean, it's cold out here, it's snowing. Yeah. But, damn thing. Just for shits and giggles, I'm squirting it. I know it ain't gonna matter, but we're gonna squirt it anyway. Can't do it on this side. Where the hell? Okay. Nothing. Son of a biscuit. Yeah, I've got it on run. Which wasn't such a pain in the ass to go find me a screwdriver. I'd take it apart and see how dirty it is in there. I could just bite the bullet and try to find this damn screwdriver. I'm lazy, y'all. Not lazy as much as I'm cold. Ah, hell. Man, this is deep. Can I even get in here? Uh-oh, it's kind of heavy. Okay, so I took all my screwdrivers in the house. That's great. I'm so damn organized. Yeah, I need to get me a garage. Alright, abort. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look how deep this is. Like, got a few more hours of this to go. Yeah. I think I'm done. I mean, I don't know what else to do. You know what I'm saying? As of right now, I'm out of ideas. I need to do a little research again on the Google box and just see, like, where's the CDI? Where's the stuff on this thing? Like, I don't get it. Engines used to be like a little easier than this, right? Back in the day, if this would have been points, I'd already got it running. But that'd be easy. Who the hell wants that, right? Put my battery back on charge. Because I will try this again. Eventually. It's going to have to warm up a little bit, though, because me no likey. Yeah. I mean, I'm not even... I ain't even played on my four-wheeler really today. I could, but kind of don't want an earache. Alright. these ain't enough tools to fix anything. I learned that today. But yeah, comments, man. Where the hell's the CDI on these things at? Like I said, back in the day, I knew where they was. They had a little round cap that you took loose. Where are they at today? I see the valve covers. These are little valve cover things. I know that's your timing adjustment over there, your tensioner or whatever the hell you call it. But where's the CDI? I've never been like confused like this on a four-wheeler before. Which, like I said, back in the day, those little 110 three-wheelers and those Trail 70s and all those were fun. These are different. But I do not see anything that resembles a CDI on here. You gotta take side plates off. Like, surely I know it wouldn't be on that side probably. It'd probably be on this side, right? Yeah, I don't know. Let me know. Well, that's it for me today. Let me make sure my birds got the shit they need, I guess. It's pretty cool having only a couple birds. You ain't gotta feed them but every couple days. They got water. That's all that matters. Oh yeah, I gotta remember to plug that back up. I don't think I can get in here to even try to get an egg. Yeah, I'm not gonna even try. You guys can sit on that egg. Oh, mama. Yeah. That's it for me. Like, comment, subscribe. God bless you guys. Stay safe out there in this crap. I mean, it's gorgeous, but it'll get you. So, I guess I will see you when the weather's a little different, if the Lord allows. So, later, y'all.